Kung hindi mo pa alam, ito na nga po, Calvin Abueva has been officially fined by the PBA 20,000 K. 20,000 pesos po dahil dito po sa statement na nag-viral na pinost po ng Spin.ph na itong si Calvin Abueva, sinabi niya na apat ang paldo. No? Ayan tuloy, na-fine. Di pa man nakakalaro si Calvin Abueva, ay may bayad na kagad siya, may multa na kagad siya. Sa pag-usapan natin dito sa video din ito, bakit nga ba sinabi yan ni Calvin Abueva at meron bang basihan ang kanyang mga sinabi? Kasi ako talaga, hindi ko alam kung mag-agree ka dito. Plus, ilang beses na ba na fine, na suspend, or nagkaroon ng reprimand si Calvin Abueva? And ano ba ang pwedeng gawin ni Calvin Abueva or ang mga players po or atleta, whether basketball or boxing, pag medyo mainit ang ulo, marami nang asar. Ano ba ang mga pwedeng gawin ng mga atleta para makaiwas tayo sa mga fine? And ito po yung advice ko talaga. Sa bandang dulo, sana, hindi ko lang mapapanood to ni Calvin, but sa bandang dulo, isa sa, I think, recommendation ko na personally. So, dyan lang kayo.
Podcast Sports, the number one independent sports voice of the Philippines.
Matapang, balanse, laging tapat at ito po the reason why we're doing this, because we wanna uh, provide opinion, but the way we're providing opinion, we wanna make sure that the purpose of this is to be true, to be honest, to be fair as much as we can, and of course to improve the things, no? Sometimes hindi pabor lagi yung sinasabi natin, pero hindi ko naman sa pinagtatanggol yung sasabihin ko ngayon. Unang-una sa lahat, Calvin Abueva has been fined 20K by the Philippine Basketball Association for that word, no? At may love letter pa siya sa PBA na natanggap. At yun na nga, nakasulod dito sa love letter na ito, malicious and unfounded accusation against our referees cannot go unpunished. And una-una sabihin ko, tama naman ng PBA. Hindi naman kasi talagang maganda sabihin yun ng player. So, Calvin Abueva is one of our, I'm sure paborito rin niya ng karamihan na player because of the energy and yung skills, yung talent niya. Talagang he makes an impact at isa rin siya sa fan favorite. Whether you like him or you hate him, you wanna see him, you wanna watch him. And talagang everyone wants to be a teammate of Calvin Abueva. At least from my perspective, iba talaga pag meron kang mga katulad ni Calvin Abueva. Alam mo yung ipagtatanggol ka kahit anong mangyari. Yan ang pagkakita ko kay Calvin Abueva, no? He's just passionate, and dito sa channel ko and personally ako gusto ko yung mga passionate na tao, yung palaban, yung may paninindigan sa sarili. But at the same time, we also have to understand that we live in a civilized world. We work with a certain company, meron tayong mga boss, meron tayong kumbaga, meron tayong pangalagaan na pangalan. So we can be passionate but not destructive. Unfortunately, there are some, Calvin knows this, and that's why nagkaroon siya ng mga fine or suspension in the past. And let me just remind you, so back in 2019, I think most of you remember this, the indefinite suspension, no? That was a major career turning point. Ito yung aking research, no? This was when he clotheslined Terrence Jones, no? Flagrant foul. And nagkaroon ng verbal altercation doon. And meron pang sayawan sa table doon. So, he was suspended with no timeline for return, and he was required to have an apology. Do you guys remember that? Naalala niyo yan? And then there was, I think, 70,000 fine, if I'm not mistaken. And this was the conversation that we had do sa PBA, sa basketball day ni Boss Toyo. Yung the longest suspension was 16 months. So the longest, that's Calvin Abueva. But anyway, he was able to come back from his career, and 2020 was reinstated. Nagkaroon ng counseling, and then compliance, and and there's a condition for harsher punishment, no, for anything that's misconduct. So yun na nga, tuloy-tuloy, 2020, 2022, nagkaroon na naman siya ng game suspension and 10,000 fine. Unsportsmanlike behavior na naman during a game versus Ginebra. And of course, he was already warned of, previous yung mga ginawa niya before. 2024, if I'm not mistaken, nagkaroon na naman ng issue. May middle finger sa fan during a game. So it was 20,000 pesos and 1 game suspension. Okay? And then the recent, no, itong recent, meron pa pala siyang mocking gesture back in 2024. No suspension, parang 100,000 dito if I'm not mistaken. So mocking a coach to, no, with disability. You guys remember that? Okay, so marami-rami na rin ano. And then 2026 ito na nga no. Di pa man siya nakakalaro sa Converge which is I'm really looking forward to see him play. I think he's gonna make a big difference sa Converge. Nagkaroon na kaagad ng ganitong issue. Ako, sa totoo lang naiintindihan ko yung emosyon ni Calvin eh. Naiintindihan ko how he feels. Because ako, Hinebra ako ha. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm gonna be fair with you. Kahit Hinebra ako, kung may nakita tayo na sa tingin natin ay hindi maganda o mali o tama, sasabihin natin. Now, hindi po ako nagmamarunong sa pagiging officiating, but based on my opinion, sa nakita ko, there are some lapses. No, and like what I said, yung yung gumawa ko ng reels, yung payo ko kay Calvin Abueva, next time gamitan niya ng positive scripting para paglabas nito, you get to say kumbaga what you want to say, but it doesn't come out really that negative or negative. It will come from a place of love. No, instead na sabihin niya na paldo ang mga referee, pwede niya sabihin na maayos na commissioner or PBA review niya yan, parang mali yung mga tawag. Nakikiusap kami, parang gano'n, or but siguro hindi naman talaga yung ganung character niya. But at the same time, ilan taon na ba si Calvin? No, tayo kasi syempre pag bata tayo, medyo mainitan talaga, mainit ang mga ulo natin. But as we get older, I'm sure Calvin would realize medyo magka-calm down. Yung sa lang, sa verbal lang. But I don't want him to calm down sa kanyang energy sa basketball. Doon niya ibuhos lahat ng galit niya. So, yun, it's just very unfortunate. And I know Calvin just want to defend his team because, sayang yung game na yun eh. And kailangan nilang manalo. Tapos ganun yung nangyari. And totoo naman na, sometimes missed calls, and in some cases, not the PBA, there are, even in boxing, may mga, the referee sometimes, pag may mga missed calls na ganyan, it changed the game, it changed the result of the game. So I understand the emotion of Calvin Abueva, but he needs to relax a little bit. No, nahuli siya sa camera eh. So the reason why most of the time nagkakaroon tayo ng problema, even sa media, even as a blogger, pag mainit tayong ulo, pag kakatapos lang mag-react agad tayo, yun yung pangit. Okay siya sa mga media kagaya namin, okay sa social media because may mapag-uusapan, may mapagkukwentuhan, may pagkakitaan. But of course, it's not good for the player and also for the league because kawawa naman yung yung potential suspension or fines. So it's not good. So just being honest, but my advice for any players, bloggers, athlete, boxers, or anyone, even Calvin Abueva, ang fans will be fans. So we should never engage yung mga heckler. Because that's part of the sports. If we engage them, we make sure that it is within the limit. Kasi minsan sa emotion natin, nasosobrahan, umiiyak yung mga heckler. Yung mga bashers natin, napapaiyak natin. Ang dami kayong mga bashers napapaiyak ni Calvin. 'Di ba? Ako, okay lang ako kapag paiyakin ko yung mga bashers ko. Wala akong pakialam kahit anong sabihin, hindi ako masususpend eh. Hindi ako mapa-fine. As long as yung sinasabi ko maayos, no? Wala rin akong boss. I'm my own boss. And I know the PBA understand why we're doing this because we wanted to help build the PBA to be a better league. I come from a place of care. But at the same time, we want to be honest and we want to be fair with the fans. All right? So do not respond to the hecklers, and let the official handle it pag may mga ganun ngayon, because if you react, you lose automatically. Even if you're right, you lose. And the thing is, most suspension comes from revenge, pag galit ka, pag may ano. So if pati yung pag na-foul ka, don't retaliate kasi laging talo yung yung pangalawang tao eh. No? Don't retaliate. Now, it's hard if ganun yung character niya, he's very passionate and energetic, nagsasayaw-sayaw, magka-clap, may sarcastic, nagmamak ng konti. So, kailangan lang siguro he needs to be aware. I mean, Calvin had those instances in the past. So, konting control lang sa sarili. Or if I'm the management, siguro pag medyo mainit na si Calvin, ilalayo ko na ng konti sa mga referee. Ilalayo ko na ng konti sa mga referee. There should be, that should be one of the things that they should need to do because Calvin will be Calvin. And that's why we love Calvin because of his energy. But sometimes, yun yung din nagiging detrimental sa kanyang career. One technique that I learned is, aside from, pag may mga ganitong situation, may mga nagta-trash talk, may mga mali, mainit ang ulo mo, you walk away. You step back. You look at the bench. You talk to your teammate. Sa teammate mo na lang sabihin yung ano mo. Kasi it nakakapag-release ka ng ng frustration mo without, the potential of you being fined or being thrown out from the game, parang ganun, no? Um, it's good to say what you want, especially if you see something wrong. But at the same time, you need to realize that, unfortunately, you're working for a certain company. And the company would really want to protect themselves as well and their identity. So they would, they wouldn't allow this thing. So I also understand the PBA. Bakit naman nga, kung may ibang player na gumayad dyan sa kanya. So they're trying to create a deterrent para hindi na ulit magaya. So, pero ayun na nga. I think, and hopefully Calvin Abueva will slow down a bit or funnel that energy somewhere else. No? If it's me, kung ako, if let's say I have an athlete or, I wouldn't say anything within the night. Ganito yun eh. Pati pag magdi-decision tayo ng big, pag galit tayo, hindi talaga maganda yung nasasabi natin eh. Hindi talaga maganda. Ever since naman eh. I mean, counter to, no? Hindi to i-advise ng iba. Because, controversy makes us earn. Pag may controversy, may maganda pag-uusapan. But kung atleta ka, you're friends with the athlete or you're kailangan talaga, you wait. You wait, itulog mo muna bago ka magsalita para if you still wanna say it, if you wanna rebel, mas maganda yung pagka-construct mo. Maiisip mo kung ano ba, mapapahamak ba ako nito or this would come out negative or positive. But it's really up to the player. So wait for 24 hours. Or, let the official handle it. Let the PR team handle the press release or the complaint, because honestly, if you complain on social media, if you say something like this, I mean, the only thing that we will get most of the time is views, because it's not an official complaint, no? And sometimes kahit anong sabihin natin, minsan baka hindi na naman aksyonan. So it's better if a-funnel siya sa tamang lugar. Kaya nga sabi ko, huwag tayong makipag-away sa social media. So, for me, as a veteran, I think Calvin will eventually learn these things. And, I really hope for the best for Calvin Abueva. I am looking forward to his game. Yun lang. May mali talaga sa mga calls. Ako na mismo nakita ko eh. May mga missed calls. And that's the reason siguro bakit na-trigger si Calvin. Pero mali din yung pag-i-insinuate na ng ganon. Especially as a player. As a commentator, yun siguro it's okay kasi sa NBA, ganyan din naman. Oh, mali yung call ng ganito, mali yung ganito, ganito. But again, the PBA needs to understand it's all part of the media in the game. So at the end of the day, all I'm gonna say, and I hope Calvin could watch until is watching until the very end. Um, it is your career. It is the career of the basketball player. Now, no matter how good you are or talented you are, sometimes it may not be enough. We need to, for again, ang hirap tanggapin, pero unfortunately, we're not the boss. So, behavior can cost us games and reputations. So, kahit gaano kabait, ako gusto kong maging kaibigan si Calvin Nubueva kasi sigurado kung pagtatanggol ako niyan, hindi yan uurong. But, there are certain rules that we need to follow and certain guidelines or certain professionalism as a player. So, and one moment of emotional outburst can lead to fine like this or suspension. So, medyo swerte pa, walang suspension. So, my takeaway for this one is that Calvin Nueva or any athletes, energy, talent, skills can win you games. But discipline can sustain your career. Mahirap pag, yun nga, sinasabi nila, may mga issue. Although I don't believe this, yung mga silent ban, balita ko pati mga media may nasa silent ban eh. So, but we cannot do anything. They're the boss of their own league. It's their own private organization. All we can do is just talk about it and, share this opinion to the fans. But let me know what you think, guys, and hopefully may natutunan kayo. And if experience kayo ng ganito as an athlete, as a blogger, or anyone in your sports community or in your organization, trabaho, let me know what's your advice. Uminit na rin ba yung ulo nyo? Nasuspend na rin? Sino mga nasuspend dito? Ako, guilty ako dyan.